inherent in what you're trying to do is taking the the heart of innovation, as you initially posed, away from Silicon Valley. Do you think that Asia has the potential to develop its own real ecosystem of innovation? We've been debating this all day on this stage.
I think the groundworks are in place, and if you start looking at it just from a demographic perspective, right? You're talking about between Southeast Asia and India, which are two markets that we focus on, over 2 billion people, close to 1 billion in the middle class by 2020, and a very fast and growing sort of internet penetration up to 1.2 billion within 5 years or so. And it's arguably the fastest growing internet market in the world. I think Southeast Asia is adding close to 120,000 new people to the internet per day, which is an astounding number. And that goes together with the fact that Southeast Asia and India are truly mobile-first environments. If you look across the world, the usage of the internet, it's probably arguably about 1/3 mobile-based. If you look at India and Indonesia, it's closer to 2/3. That presents tremendous opportunities for 0 to 1 innovation, where mobile-first philosophy is taken into account. And it's really an environment that has been underinvested in by venture capitalists, right? If you look at 2015, in the US, there's arguably between 50 to 60 billion poured into VC. But if you look at Southeast Asia, it's about 1.6, and India about around 8 billion. But in particular in Southeast Asia, a lot of the money is getting poured into Series A and seed stage investments. There's really a gap around the check sizes that we write, which is $5 to $20 million. About 90% of all venture investment in Southeast Asia is early stage seed investment. In the US, I think it's closer to 50 to 60%. So there's a real disconnect and a very large opportunity given the size of the market, how quickly it's growing, and the opportunities that we see going forward.
We love Silicon Valley, but we also think that tech is becoming increasingly global. You're starting to see great entrepreneurs in places, not just in New York, Los Angeles, but in Singapore, Jakarta, Bangalore. And we've both loved investing and backing those kind of entrepreneurs.